Whole Veterinary Services. This is Diane.
Hello.
Adam and Erica are bringing a macaw. This is a big parrot, very pretty colors, and people love him.
We had gotten him from previous owners, and we just want to make sure he's healthy and get his talons clipped and his beak trimmed. They said he was 8 years old, but we're going to see if Doc Pohl can guess how old he is.
Oh, you're a big one.
Yeah.
How friendly is he?
He's selective on who he likes.
Okay, put that on the floor.
Mac may feel threatened by a visit to the vet,
Take your hands away. There, now I got you.
so Doc must restrain him
Hold still.
to keep his powerful beak away from tender fingers.
I got you. Hand me those nippers there. The nails are not that long.
They're not that long, you
No, no, they're just sharp. These nails on these birds are very sharp, and they have a good grip too.
say? He's really got a hold of
Oh,
you.
yes. That's no problem because, you know, when they grab hold of my hand, they know exactly where the foot is, and then you can just take the tip right off. Same with the beak. Oh, cool it. If the beak gets too long, they have trouble eating, so yes, you are careful to do it, and when you let go, they are just as nice as can be. Okay, let them up. Let them up. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. When somebody has a bird like this, it's a lifelong commitment. I think the way he acts and everything, he's about 20-some years old.
A macaw like Mac can live well into his 50s.
Nice bird, though. But you're gonna have one for a long time.
Yeah, that's good. He's pretty awesome.
I think Mac found a good home with Adam and Erica, and I hope that, you know, they can spend lots of years together.
Hello.
Oh, you're so smart. Nice bird.
Thank you.
Okay.